Hi guys, so my last video was the kids Christmas gift hampers. So today I'm doing a beauty gift Christmas hamper, but the difference is that it's I've wrapped it up, but it's for me. I'm here to inspire you guys. But yeah, if you got some last minute shopping to do for like a female relative or friend in your life, well, I think maybe I can help you. So this is my Christmas hamper, you guys. Obviously I've wrapped it up, it's looking very fancy. First thing I'm going to start off with this thing over here, this one in here. It's the number 7 illuminated makeup mirror. Now I've been wanting this for the past 2 years, but the thing is with this mirror, its original price is £35. Every single time when it gets to the festive season, so say about November, December definitely, it gets reduced to under £20. And yeah, it was reduced to £19.99 this year, and it's always usually reduced to that price. But then, oh my goodness, last week, checked online, it was reduced to £14.99. I was like, oh my goodness. I was going to buy it, the fact that it was £19.99, but then it was at £14.99. Yes! And I got the silver one. You can get the rose gold one. Yes, you can get the rose gold one, which is very, very pretty. But I just got the silver one because obviously it's going to sit on like my dressing table, and the theme on the dressing table and the mirror is grey. So, you know, if I got rose gold, it wouldn't fit in. She would totally be like so left out. Both sides of the mirror lights up, the lighting, you can adjust it to however you want. It's double-sided, so you've got a normal mirror, and then you've got a 5 times magnification mirror as well on the other side. And yeah, and it's energy efficient. I think you have to plug in a wall, but I don't know how long the wire is. But in store they had one that was like plugged in, and like yeah, the wire looked quite long, to be honest. Yeah, I got this because like even though our dressing table was here, it's quite dark to do your makeup here. And I thought, you know, I still love my mirror. I love my mirror. It's great for doing the hair and brushing your hair and stuff. And like, you can do a little bit of makeup, but there's just certain makeup like foundation, you just want to get it right. You know, eyeshadow and stuff. And I feel like just this side of the wall is like just quite dark, and it's not facing the window. So like that's why I was like, let me just get this. I'm super happy about it, you guys. Go and get it. If it's the only thing you're gonna get for that female person in your life, then yeah, get it. £14.99. Yesterday I popped into Superdrug, and I went into Superdrug, and oh my goodness, Superdrug reduced some of their gift stuff. This brush set, and you get a sponge as well, £3. Studio London brush set, £3. I have some Studio London brushes, but I got this one specifically because I haven't got a fan brush. And you get a sponge. And I was like, okay, let me try the Studio sponge, because I have some Studio sponges that I do like, but I don't have like the, you know, the one that looks like a beauty blender. Yeah. I was like, £3. I went straight to the till. Next, in Boots, I ordered some stuff. Well, I say I ordered stuff. I just ordered stuff using my Boots points. If you've got some Boots points, you know, use it. It's Christmas. But at the number 7 mirror, I bought cash. With my Boots points, I got the Boots Tea Tree Hazelnut face peel off. Love it. Great for your pores. I think it's about £1.29 or something. Great for the pores, you guys. Great for the pores. Also on the Boots website, some of the 17 makeup were reduced. Seriously, reduced. There was nothing there that was over £2. I'm telling you guys. So I picked up this highlighter for like, I think it was £1.50. Yeah, I think it was £1.50. This like navy blue eyeliner, and it was like 58p. Like seriously, 58p. And also this what's it called, 17 eyeshadow. And I got this brown one. I don't think I've got this shade in like my makeup drawer. And yeah, I picked up this one. This was, I think, was like £1. Like seriously, you guys. Yeah, I thought, you know, try some new makeup, get my favourite pore peel off treatment, and yeah, I am a happy woman. But guess what? Now the next gift, everyone's gonna want this, okay? Because everyone's got a phone. Everyone's got a phone. This Emoji portable charger. £5 at Poundland. It's got extra high power. I was like, this is perfect. I'm always like watching my phone. I hope my battery doesn't die. Like when I'm out and about and stuff. And like, yeah, you can use it on different devices, cameras, and I'm very sure it's, yeah, you got a smartphone now, obviously. Yeah, you can use it on multiple devices. Like, this is perfect. You can get the one with the glasses, and you can get a poo one. Seriously, you can get a poo one. I saw a poo one. I saw it in store, you guys. So yeah, I am so happy with all of my gifts, you guys. I wrapped it up so it can inspire you guys, and so you can get like a visual, like, you know, like visual inspiration. I think that's it. Head down to Superdrug, you guys. They have reduced some of their stuff. Seriously, you got makeup brushes containers for like £1.50. There was a couple of things there that were just reduced, and also boots. Yes, who's not gonna want this mirror? It's a really, really nice mirror. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys on my next video. I don't know, maybe I'll have like another video after Christmas Day, maybe let's show you guys how the kids are enjoying their toys and stuff. Yeah. I know, but yeah, I think maybe after Christmas, obviously in the new year, first week of New Year, I am going to have a video up, but I don't know if I've got any video. I think maybe after Christmas will probably be like a vlog before the new year. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys are inspired. Spend your money wisely. You don't have to break the bank. I haven't broken the bank. I'm cool. I am happy. Seriously, I haven't broken the bank. I haven't broken the bank. Merry Christmas, guys.